there and welcome back to Finding My Online Biz. I'm Keith A here, and today I'm just going to talk about what I've been into in the last couple of months. Coming right up. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much and welcome. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Keith A, and I'm trying to find my online biz. So if you like the video or like the channel, please subscribe down below and click the notification bell, and you'll get notified when new videos come out. And thank you to my returning subscribers, and let's get right into it. A couple of months I've been looking into all sorts of business ventures online. I've looked at building a website, I've looked at blogging, I've looked at affiliate marketing in various ways, shapes and forms. So I've also had a look at the Amazon affiliate program. I ran that for almost a year. The glitch with it was that I didn't make enough sales for them to keep my affiliate program open. So I now am no longer an Amazon affiliate. I removed those links from all of my videos, as you'll notice below, simply because Amazon was still accepting my links, but I wasn't getting anything for them. So, okay, I'll come back to that at some later stage. So what I've really learned in the last couple of months of really putting my head down and tail up and learning as much as I could about this another income online is there is one main key factor, that is traffic. Simply eyeballs on your page. What it really means is that I need to put more effort into building those traffic sources so that my channel will grow. Now, I'm looking at various different training courses as well in order to make some income online. Incomeschool.com. Now, Jim and Rick, I think, are the two guys that run it. Now, I've looked at their stuff. I've had a look at the pros and the cons, and it looks like they're legit. We'll see. So, coming into 2020, I'm hoping to save up some more dollars, and I'll purchase their course, and we'll see whether that has any significant benefit. Now, what impressed me about the Income School guys is that they were asked in one of their videos, how long will it take to make income? Now, I've been at this for a while, so I know that it's darn hard to make any income whatsoever, no matter what the gurus tell you. You'll make them money, no doubt. You want to make some dollars yourself so that you can migrate out of your 9 to 5 into an online business to give you some freedom of choice, to give you some freedom, lifestyle freedom. That's what you're looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So I suspect you're here, you're looking for the same thing. So when they were asked that question, they said, from when you start for the first 6 months, you'll be lucky to make $5. Now, most people are going to look at that and go, $5? Well, why would I bother? But for me, I know that's true. So I know they've told the truth. They're not hyping it up. They're not pretending like, oh, you'll make 10K a month, in the first week. It's just not true, guys. I wish it were. If I had a 10K a month plan that I could give you, you would have it now. I would give it to you. And you'd have it for free, I tell you. Because I want to set people free. I want them to get some freedom in their lives. But it's simply not the case. So, the incomeschool.com, I'll put the link down below. I'm not an affiliate. Maybe one day I'll get an affiliate program with them. Because they're in the United States, I've got to get a WN, which is nothing really. It's just so that the American IRS know who you are and can track your finances and hand it back to your own government. That's all good. That's all good. I pay my taxes. I don't mind. But I've got to do that first before I can be an affiliate with them. And I would prefer to do their course before I do that anyway, so that I know they're legit. Because I've done several of these other courses. And yes, I'm sure you could make some money from them, but you'd have to spend a lot of money to get there. So that's where I've been for the last couple of months. I've been studying, working hard, trying to get my head around this affiliate program. After losing my affiliate program through Amazon, I must admit I was a bit, the wind knocked out of my sails a little, as you can imagine. But, you know, I've just got to try and find an affiliate program online that works for me. For me, it needs to be ethical, above board, and not too much of the hype. Like I'm all like I like people to be excited about what they're doing. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Like I love that. But it's got to be realistic as well, and it can't be overdone hype. You know, make $1 million in a year and all this sort of stuff. Does it happen? Yes, it does. But people win the lottery as well. Doesn't mean I'm going to put in a lottery ticket and use that as my business strategy. That's not smart. So I thought I'd just get back online just a few minutes just to tell you where I've been and what I've been doing and what I'm thinking and where I'm heading and all of those kinds of things. So if you've been following, so you know that I'm still with you. I'm still here. I am still trying to generate income online. The next series of videos will be some of the tips and tricks the guys from the Income School have been sharing on their YouTube channel. I'll put a link to their YouTube channel down below as well. I probably will link more to those kind of guys in future anyway, because they just seem to be far more, well, they've been at it for 10 years, so they sort of get it. Now they're blogging. Now blogging's a good way to go. Just remember, if you're blogging and you're sending people, you're using your YouTube or your Facebook or your Pinterest or your Snapchat as your funnel to your blogs, that none of the algorithms like you sending traffic away from their platform. Google don't like it either. To think about that strategically, it's 3 or 4, 5 videos, and then maybe on a 6th or a 7th video, put a link away, okay? And do that on all of your platforms. That way you're not signaling to their algorithms, oh, I should suppress this video or suppress the pins or suppress the Facebook feed because you're sending them away. One of the things I found, particularly with Facebook, was that any links that I put on away from Facebook, I got so few views on those pages that it simply wasn't worth the effort. And you're going to find that they're all going this way because they make money from the ads. That's how they're making their dollars. There'll probably be ads around here somewhere. I won't be getting the dollars, but YouTube certainly will be. So just think about that as well. There's been a lot going on in the last month or so in the YouTube community as well, with the copper laws and all that sort of stuff. You know, the children, working with children. Here in Australia, we've got a working with children framework anyway, so we've already got it in place, have had it for a number of years. I do have a working with children because I do work in the community as well, so I've got to have a working with children check. I have that as well. But this isn't designed for children at all. This site and this channel is not. I always recommend parental guidance. If your children are under 13 years of age, 13 or below, they really should have parental guidance on whatever they're watching. And that's just good parenting. That's fair enough, isn't it? So I don't have a problem with that, but this channel itself isn't designed for children at all. So look, until next time, enjoy the journey, and I'll see you next time. Bye.